We're gonna go ahead and load up our Subi van and our Forester with blankets, gifts. We're gonna stop by and grab some snacks from Panera for the staff. All these goodies are gonna be for the patients over at Nancy W. Knowles Cancer Center in Elmhurst. One of the reasons why this is very important to us is because it's gonna touch a lot of families within our community that are going through a rough patch in their lives, and hopefully this will bring a smile to their day.
We are honored and privileged to be partnered with Subarus around the country and Grand Subaru right here in Bensonville, which provides gifts of hope, strength to local patients navigating treatment. So honored to have Grand Subaru as one of our leading partners of our local community initiative, Light the Night, and provide that much needed support to local families navigating their own cancer journeys.
These care packages that we are able to give the patients through the support of Subaru allow them to take their minds off of everything else that's stressing them out. So many of these items are comfort care, so it's the blankets, it's the pillows, it's other items that just make them comfortable for the treatments while they're with us, which can last up to 6 hours sometimes. And then some of the other items like the puzzles or other gifts that are kind of a distraction just also helps to take their mind off of the pressure and stress of what they're feeling with their diagnosis, just make their time in and stay with us more enjoyable, while they're in this difficult situation.
Well, we're very happy with your Subaru doing this, and we're getting better. We're getting better, and things are really working out for us. And everyone here has really been really kind and polite and very sincere in all and everything that they do. We're really appreciative for all the staff here.
It's important in the community to let other other business like the hospital know that there's other people out there that care. It's really nice and important.
I just want to say, on behalf of Grand Subaru, thank you guys very much. We try to make an impact, and we definitely can't do that without you guys. So very much appreciated. Thank you guys very much.
Thank you guys for always coming and being our people in our community. We always appreciate it.